Having nothing gave me everything. It gave me everything. Having nothing gave me everything I need. Having nothing gave me everything. It gave me everything. Having nothing gave me everything I need. It was on his baby, the long it made me never take it short. It was fist to face up, no kiss and makeup. They made us fought. Pounds would pop round the clock. Down the block, only brave could walk. Born with hate within, walls paper thin, could hear the neighbors talk. I was straight with doubt, how to make it out, my favorite thought was never no juice, wanted better produce, they was craving pork. Wicked days with me, still spit my razor clean the way it's taught. From bottom line, drew outside the line, few mine got traced in chalk. Yes, a bad man, blessed with bad hands, cause no cases caught. One had low bucks, stole much, cause it's harder to take support. Everywhere taking flames, ain't playing games to race the sport. Peep the system, my people victim, the guns, dope bass and snort. Having nothing gave me everything. It gave me everything. Having nothing gave me everything I need. Having nothing gave me everything. Live the plight at night, so I be buried king. Surviving in the Harvard was a steady sting. The Brooklyn fights, never took it light. Bought the heavy thing. As tykes, not the type to scare. Only from icy air, we would shiver. My heat would see my hip. See the street, see the river. Some is fun and games till someone aims, squeeze the trigger. The figures we pursue, if it came down to me and you, been planted with advantage, cause there's no me and you. Playing in the flesh, trying to express what I see and do. Copper diem till a mausoleum, I'm just being true. Having nothing gave me everything. It gave me everything. Having nothing gave me everything I need. Having nothing gave me everything. It gave me everything. Having nothing gave me everything I need.
Destroy all lines. That's what I'm doing.
How long do you think you'll do it?
Till I'm finished.